Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Yo, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion Foot.
Best of the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot. Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot to the world.
Lion Foot TV.
Oh, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot TV.
Big up Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot, you're so great, 'cause you're blessed by the Most High.
He said too much killing a guan, too much killing a guan. Yeah man, blessed, love and greetings viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on the damn self, I hope all is blessed, and as usual we say give thanks to the sunshine. So I say give thanks to life in the preservation of life, blessed Sabbath. So I say, proud to be a Jamaican, you know. Anyway, I'm going to carry Jamaica with me. So I say, yeah man. Viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, my families them, everybody. I love we say and peace, you know. Badness no pay. Right now, I get the video them, but I can't show them. I can show them maybe run-ins, but I'm not going to play the sound. Because I know YouTube policy, you see me? Yeah. So don't forget to like and share the content. Big up on yourself, big up everybody on the platform. You see me I say? First you don't succeed, brush yourself off and try again. Stay positive and motivated, you know? Don't make nobody drown out. And all of the young artists them be careful. All of the artists them too, because the period they ready to go around me. The period they ready to go around me. Ah daddy! The period they ready to go around me. You know, them said to me, the journalists them say, boy, if him can do that to Jaffras, this is what was said to me. If him can do that to Jaffras, you know, who is you, I'm Eric? Zed? So we just have to be careful out there. No, my viewers and subscribers, nannyville. Be a clappings, go and knockings. Tell you them say badness no pay, you know. Football may I come from, you know. Referee, you know, pre-season. Now is the pre-season. Yeah, so I just have come from football. I run late for work and I just come straight to work and I never go pick up my car and nothing. You see what I say, sit down. I'm a referee tap, you know. This is my warm-up tap, you see me? But anyway, Peckhamtown versus Ramford. You know, 3-2. Good game. Yeah, man. You know, so I said, John, big up Brian, big up Mary, you know. Big up Jackie, the whole Peckhamtown team. You see what I'm saying? Yes, man. But 4 people get clapped. Well, 2 people get clapped where 4 was wounded. You know what I mean? 4 pick up bullet, 2 clapped where fatally. And couple arrests, you know what I mean? And nannyville. Viewers and subscribers, boy, I tell you the start. You say stop. I'm here the crime agent, you know. You see me? I'm say I'm a whole heap of song out there on the platform. Worldwide Peace featuring Natural Annex from Cincinnati. Zine, crime agent produced by DJ Barber. You see me? I may have my EP I drop soon, my next EP. Welcome to Kingston. We have a whole heap of positive song on it, you know. Yeah man, my next other song I'm Baby Wayne style. Boy, you're a bad man and killy. You're silly Billy. Wait till you hear that one day. Boy, you're bad and wicked, you only dumb and stupid, boy. See, they know you've been incarcerated. You're bad and wicked, you only dumb and stupid. You should have dead, but me glad they still alive, dog. I'm not sorry for you. Now you no more till it drop, you know. That. Yo! Big up everybody there. Boozumai, big up yourself, Boozumai. Honestly, I like the intro. I left out Boozumai star. Boozumai, big up yourself. And Boozumai, I'm one of the general who give me a jingles first, you know, and get a couple jingles to me, you know. Big up Boozumai, me shop. Zine. Viewers and subscribers, badness no pay. This is just a quick vlogging of a reason with the youth. Them say badness no pay. If you pick it up, one day, your time will come. So it look like, say, them man did make up their mind for say, yo, here we go on. Do or die, you know. Knockings, you know, clappings, you know. You know, I go in, you know. See, and come like say the police did have them on a surveillance. You know? And then run in Panama, them get some intel or something, but at the end of the day, 2 man gone left them families, kids if them have any. I beg the youth to say badness no pay. And some of the DJs them and selected them. We are begging them to start play back some reggae music. please, may I beg you to play back some reggae music, you know. We need back some of them energy there for cast away the evil spells and, you know, the evil actions that's taking place in the ground. Because the energy where you swing and observe and you see me, when you breathe and exhale, you know. If you breathe bad energy, and that will go shed over you, you know, and the country, your family, you know. That's why them said do good and good will follow you. You see me, my viewers and subscribers, job last, speak up yourself. But yeah man, do good and good will follow you. So you feel like if we'd have some cultural song or positive songs I play, because we know enough positive songs still I make. You see me? But they're just not being played. Everything just a swing one way. Click this, up this, that. You see what I'm saying? Everything just a swing one way on the music space. Welcome to the radio station owners them. We now say if you say yo, we need some positive music, because if you have positive music I come from some of the influential DJs them on the radio and in the dance hall. We feel like the violence could have changed and swing down, you know. Remember one time when party nice, dance nice, culture, bus dance and a mashup dance. Who remember them days there? Hey, me a screechy guy dance from me at 10, you know. Screech out of my house and when I come in, I just get beer beaten, you know. Big up Lover's Choice sound, you know. Yeah man, big up Lover's Choice. As long as fat man, big up yourself. We just beg the youth to stop the crime, start paying and deliquil in the world, Kingston 11. You hear me say stop.
Trigger finger, say they made it hot. And I go round and I fire wild shot. Stop. Who are issue contract? Feed the killing them go shoot up the black. Stop.
Hit man, right now I'm afraid of yang. When me hear some yang pull up. When I talk to my brother and the man say, yo, right now I'm afraid of the yang them. If me hear all 2-3 yang, I start fret. I wonder if I eat this or you know, what go on now, because the yang them are going to be sitting. You see me and say my viewers and so Jado star, but this is just a quick update for sure. They say, yo, badness no pay youths. Badness no pay. Hey, some breed, I shot fire at nannyville, let me tell you no. See, now there was 2 persons who got clapped with. We don't know if them are part of the man, them are innocent or what. Because you know, bullet now eye, now breaks. You see what I say? Yeah, so, all the peace and love, you know, we say the whole Nannyville Mountain View. We're going to stop the crime star. Too much killing a guan, too much killing a guan, too much killing a guan. We say too much killing a guan, too much killing a guan. Every day someone lose their life. If it's not by the guns, it's by the knife. Wife kill her husband, her husband kill him wife. People are dead daily more than 5. Them 87s are them wild like a Lego beast. Them kill anything, them no fear soldier police. Pain get hot and split up like wild peas. Nah take no side, all me a cry peace. Too much killing a guan, too much killing a guan. Yes man, look out for my EP, see? Welcome to Kingston, that's the name of the EP. Yes man. So we are saying, you don't know, we have what if music for drop man, what if positive music. And we not stop singing positive, you know, we not bow or sell out for the fame, you know. When it come out, if we get the support, I saw it go, you know. Or when them say, yo, let him through now man, a long time, you see me? I know them are all the gate for me still, but I saw it go. You know what I'm saying? All if I love me say, see him way man, you know I love in our heart, you see me? Heart never dirty nor rusty. Heart ever fresh and clean. You see me I say? I love me say. Right now if a man see me and do me nothing, I must bad mind because he's a youth. A godly fearing youth, you know, peace and love. You see me I say? Jamaica, stop the crime. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. I love and peace. A lion foot. Go on now, go and drive again. See?
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. True story about my life.
That's time, who feels it knows?
So you come to Honda.
Let me tell you.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.